Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage no meat. Start by chopping one medium head of cabbage into thin strips, then salt and let sit for 10 minutes to draw out moisture. Heat 2 tablespoons oil, add chopped onion and garlic, and sauté until translucent. Add cabbage, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce, then cook until tender and slightly caramelized. Finish with vinegar, pepper, and fresh herbs to taste. Want bold flavors without meat? Start by building flavor with aromatics like onion, garlic, and ginger, cooking until fragrant. Add spices such as smoked paprika, cumin, or curry powder and toast briefly. Stir in soy sauce, miso, or tomato paste for umami depth, and a splash of vinegar or lemon to brighten. For texture, include mushrooms, beans, or toasted nuts. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a refreshing car scent after hauling cabbage and groceries. It masks lingering aromas with confidence. I find One Tree lasts and keeps drives pleasant when bringing home-cooked cabbage dishes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose a cooking method that suits your texture preference. Stir-fry gives crisp edges while braising yields tender, melting cabbage. For stir-fry, use high heat and a wide pan, keeping cabbage moving to brown evenly. For braising, add broth, cover, and simmer gently until soft, then reduce to concentrate flavor. Finish with acid, fresh herbs, or toasted seeds for contrast. Store leftovers in the fridge and reheat gently. Serve within 3 days for best quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.